friends, a very warm welcome to Inspire Works once again. बाहर बहुत ठंडी है दोस्तों, so be careful about this. In this video friends, I am going to give you the detailed demo of this Nikon DSLR D5600 camera which I have just purchased yesterday. दोस्तों कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने आपको Nikon D5300 DSLR कैमरा के बारे में बताया था, बट उसमें कुछ खास जानकारी मैंने नहीं दी थी. I just opened it up. बट आज के इस वीडियो में मैं Nikon D5600 DSLR कैमरा के बारे में आपको पूरी जानकारी दूंगा. वीडियो शूटिंग से लेके फोटो व्यूइंग एंड हाउ टू शूट दी फोटो, उसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी दूंगा विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दीज टू लेंस. दिस वन इज द 18 to 55 mm लेंस एंड दिस वन इज 70 to 300 mm लेंस. दोस्तों मैंने Nikon D5300 DSLR कैमरा ऑनलाइन खरीदा था, ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट के थ्रू परचेज किया था इन अ गुड डील. बट व्हाई आई रिटर्न दिस, उस चीज के बारे में भी बताऊंगा, और मैं क्यों पर्सनली निकॉन के ऑथराइज सेंटर स्टोर पे गया और वहां से मैंने ये फिर D5600 DSLR कैमरा खरीदा. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर इज अ लॉट टू नो अबाउट दिस. बी विद मी टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. Before going ahead to do the photo shooting and video of this DSLR D5600 camera, let's go ahead and give a close look to this DSLR camera design, the keys which is given over this DSLR camera, and check how we can operate those keys. In this video friends, I'm not going to give you the every function details in depth because I'm also new to this DSLR camera. So please pardon me if you find that information about this DSLR camera is not in depth. Here is the body of camera friends. If you look at this, has a very metallic design and the finish of this product is very much smooth and awesome. Here you need to put your lens to shoot the video or photo through this DSLR camera. Here is the white mark which is given to match with your lens to fit the lens inside this DSLR D5600 camera. So this is 18 to 55 mm lens, and if you would like to fit this lens inside the body of DSLR D5600 camera, then you have to check this white mark. Once you get this white mark, just match that white mark which is given on the body and just rotate it. You will hear a cut sound, which means that this lens get fitted to this DSLR camera perfectly. Now when you are going to open this lens out of this body, then you need to press this button. Just press this button and rotate this in clockwise, and you would be able to remove this lens out of this DSLR D5600 camera. Here is the on off button to make this camera on. This one is used to shoot the video with this DSLR camera. Here is the button through which you can select the various modes of this camera. Currently it is in auto, so whatever mode you want, just you need to rotate it. Besides this, here is the info button which will give you the information about anything or this DSLR camera. This one is the button which will make you access to the memory card and show you all the photos and videos. This wheel is used to go up, down, left, right, and press OK to select the items or any option. If you want the menu of this DSLR camera, then you need to just press this button to get the menu of this DSLR camera, and through which you can do the manual setting and other settings. This one is the LCD screen of this DSLR camera which can rotate at varying angle. Now this screen is a touch screen. You can operate everything from this touch screen as well. Like that, if you want to take the photo, then you just need to touch this screen and it will take the photo. This one is the viewing part to check the photo or videos. This one is the flash friends, and here is the slot given to attach any extra flash with this DSLR camera. This camera is Bluetooth enabled and also able to connect with your Wi-Fi. You can connect this camera with the Wi-Fi or with the Bluetooth with your smartphone to get the picture or video shared instantly. Here are the ports to connect your other devices with this camera. Let's open this up. You can connect your USB, you can connect your microphone with the help of these ports. And let me know you friends, you will not get any additional cable along with this D5600 Nikon DSLR camera because it is Wi-Fi enabled and also able to connect every device with the help of Bluetooth. If you look at the back of this camera, then you will find there is a port to attach the tripod. Here is the port to insert the battery. Let's open this up. If you want to remove the battery, just open this up and press this slot. It will automatically get out from the camera. So this one is the battery of Nikon D5600 DSLR camera. This is a lithium ion battery of 1230 mAh. Now you can see the battery port. If you want to put this battery, you just need to put it like this. This sign goes at one end and just press this, it will get adjusted and fitted. Now the battery is perfectly get fitted inside this camera. This one is the port given to insert your memory card. Just press this up and it will get open. Here is the memory card. You can see this is the 16 GB memory card which comes free with this DSLR camera. If you want to put this memory inside this DSLR camera, just go like this. You can see the blink of LED here. Now this memory is perfectly fitted, so close it now. Besides this, you will find the HDMI connection port to connect this camera with the HDMI cable to other device. And here are lots of other buttons. This one is the shutter open button to open the shutter manually. This one is the function button. And this one is the button used to take the multiple shots at a time. And there are lots of other functions of these buttons. So please dig it down and also let me know through your comments. If you own this camera and focus on something to take the picture from this DSLR camera, then press this button and hold it until you not hear a click sound. So it is not like that, just press it and it will take the photo. You need to press it and hold it for a moment. So friends, this is the overall look and functional details of all the keys given over on this DSLR camera. I know friends, these information are not in depth, but believe me, this is the all I know about this DSLR camera right now, because I'm also new to this DSLR D5600 camera. Now let's go ahead and put the lens inside this DSLR camera and check few settings. Just follow the rules how to put the lens inside this DSLR camera. Now lens is perfectly fitted. Now the camera is on. Now this button which is given with the mode button is used to get the live on your LCD. So currently it is in auto mode and you can find the every detail on this screen. But if you really want to get the things, get the lens view on this camera, then you just need to press this. So let me adjust the lens first. Now you can see the change as I'm rotating the lens, the shutter speed, the focus and the ISO. Now if I'm going to press this, then you will find the view. Now if you want to take the picture with this, then you just need to press this and hold this. So it has taken the picture. You can see, and also you can do it from the screen as well. Now if I'm going to touch this screen, it will take the photo. So friends, with the touch screen, this camera is really amazing. And this is really what I like inside this camera. Previously friends, I had purchased D5300 which do not have this touch screen, and for which I really feel very bad. But there are lots of other issues with that camera which I will let you know. So friends, this one is really a nice looking DSLR camera for the beginners like me. If you are also a beginners in DSLR, then I will suggest you better to go with this DSLR camera. Now if you want to take any video through this DSLR camera, you just need to press this red button. Now you can see on the screen it's in recording mode. And as you zoom in or zoom out this with the lens, it will give you all the information on this LCD screen. You can also make the focus on the object through this LCD as well. So friends, this was all about this Nikon D5600 DSLR camera. Now let's move to the lens and know what are the basic difference between these two lenses and where we can use this. This one is 18 to 55 mm lens which is used to shoot the wide mode pictures. If you want to capture something in wide mode, then you can use this 18 to 55 mm lens. This one is the other lens which came with this camera, and this one is 70 to 300 mm lens. If you want to look close to anything, then you can use this lens. Like that, if you want to particularly capture something and ignore the other things, then you can use this lens. You can use the zoom of this lens to capture those objects or those pictures. You can find the button on this 18 to 55 mm lens which you need to press in order to make this zoom on or zoom off. Now friends, what the additional item you will get along with DSLR D5600 camera. If you're going to purchase this camera with these two lenses, you will get the warranty card and other informative details which Nikon provide you. And here are the different slip or warranty stickers you will get along with this camera for the body of this camera and for these two lenses. Also with this DSLR camera, you will get a 16 GB memory card of class 10 free. Here is the Nikon bag which is also free along with this DSLR camera or any Nikon DSLR camera. What you will not get along with DSLR D5600 camera is the user manual or any CD or the USB cable. You would not able to get any USB cable along with this DSLR camera as it is Wi-Fi or Bluetooth enabled and NFC enabled. You will also not get the manual or CD along with this DSLR camera because of this info button. I have confirmed twice with the authorized dealer and he told me that no CD or manual is coming with this DSLR camera because info is already accessible inside this camera. So friends, no hack to access the information of this DSLR camera on the manual. You will get all the information just by pressing this button. Now we came to the point where I will discuss with you why I returned D5300 camera and purchased this one camera. The first thing friends, I purchased D5300 camera through e-commerce website. So there may be the issue of the warranty because I personally mailed the Nikon and asked if they are going to provide me the 2 years warranty as they promised on this box. But in reply, they told me that you need to get your gadgets or the DSLR camera checked at the authorized dealer point. And the second reason of returning D5300 is I got the box of D5300 twice. But whenever I opened that box, I didn't find the 16 GB memory card inside those box. So this was a big hack for me. Why I'm not able to find the 16 GB memory card? So where it is really gone? I complained to the e-commerce website and asked them why I'm not able to get this 16 GB memory card with this camera or with that D5300 camera, even though I also placed the replacement and in the second box it was not there. So where it really gone? So where the 16 GB free memory card gone? I don't know exactly how it happens. It may happen to the one package, but with the two package, it raised quite suspicious things in my mind. So I finally decided to return this camera. And after scratching a head lot, I finally visited to Nikon authorized dealer place. I also told them the problem which I faced earlier, and he showed me the template over which it was written Nikon is not authorizing any kind of e-commerce website to sell their products. So this was all about the Nikon DSLR D5600 camera, friends. Let me know how you really feel about this video through your comments and feedback. Thanks a lot for watching. Be safe in this cold. God bless you. Today I am in a very hurry, friends, because I have also to prepare for your giveaway. I don't forget it, and after uploading this video I am directly going to prepare everything for your giveaway. So don't forget to watch this. Maybe it will get late, but definitely I will upload that video along with your all names. It is quite difficult for me to decide all the things, but finally what I decided, please accept everything and embrace and nourish the Inspire Works with your idea, feedback and suggestions. So thanks a lot for watching once again.